My name's Joey Pringer. I'm with Marion, Missouri. We're based out of St. Louis, Missouri. Just really enjoy helping people out. I've been in the business for 20 years, and most of these guys behind me have been 20 plus years, and we just really enjoy coming out, helping out the people in the local communities, getting their power back on.
Joey and his crew are among the more than 7,000 workers helping restore electricity to communities large and small across Appalachian Power.
Behind me, it goes about a mile up the road, and as you can see, there's a bunch of trees down. We had a broken pole behind you, a broken pole up the way, and a broken pole over there, and just about 15 spans of wire down behind me that the trees took down. And we're just on our last span right here, getting it up and going to energize hopefully in the next hour or so. How's everything going? Everything come back on all right?
Yes.
All right, good, good.
How happy were you to see these folks out here today?
Very happy. I mean, I can't even state how happy. And they done an excellent job. These guys are terrific.
Oh yeah, everybody here has been super nice. It's a thrill to get their power back on. They deserve having good power. These guys behind me take great pride in their work, and they just really enjoy helping the people in the local communities.